Hello everyone. Let's dive into the WEIDIAN H6 Industrial Mini PC. This compact powerhouse is designed for both industrial and business applications, and it comes packed with some impressive features. First off, it's running Windows 11 Pro straight out of the box, which is always a plus. Inside, we've got an 8th generation Coffee Lake Core i5-8260U processor with UHD graphics 620. This combination offers a solid balance of performance and efficiency, making it suitable for a variety of tasks. The dual-channel DDR4 SODIMM and 12V lower voltage contribute to its stable and reliable operation, even in demanding environments. Storage-wise, the WEIDIAN H6 offers flexible options. It supports both an M.2 SSD, SATA 3.0, or NVMe PCIe 3.0x4, and a 2.5-inch HDD SSD. The built-in M.2 SSD provides fast boot times and snappy performance, while the additional 2.5-inch bay allows for expanded storage capacity. It can handle up to 64 gigabytes of RAM, thanks to its two DDR4 2600 MHz memory slots. Plus, it supports RAID, WL, Watchdog, PXE, and RS-485, catering to more specialized industrial needs. The inclusion of an RS-232 interface is great for connecting older peripherals like printers, scanners, and POS machines. One of the standout features of this mini PC is its support for triple displays. With 2 HD ports and 1 DP port, you can connect up to 3 4K displays simultaneously. This makes it an excellent choice for digital signage, POS systems, or any application where multi-monitor support is essential. It also has a GPIO interface, which allows for outputting control signals and inputting interrupt signals, further expanding its potential in industrial settings. The WEIDIAN H6 is designed with energy efficiency in mind. Its optimized design and full metal construction allow it to consume very little power compared to a traditional desktop PC. Its compact size, measuring just 8.66 by 5.00 by 2.36 inches and weighing only 2.65 pounds, makes it incredibly portable and easy to integrate into any workspace. It even supports VESA mounting, so you can easily attach it to the back of a monitor or mount on a wall. Overall, the WEIDIAN H6 Industrial Mini PC is a versatile and capable machine that offers a compelling combination of performance, features, and expandability. Whether you need a reliable computer for industrial applications or a compact desktop for your business, the H6 is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.